Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to be learning about place value with numbers to 100. So first, what I want you to do, I'm going to point to a number and I want you to read that number for me. Okay, ready? What is this number? This number is 97. We have a 9 in the tens place and a 7 in the ones place. What's this number? This number is 84. There's an 8 in the tens place and a 4 in the ones place. What's this number? This number is 66. There is a 6 in the tens place and a 6 in the ones place. What's this number? This number is 39. There's a 3 in the tens place and a 9 in the ones place. And what is this number? This number is 52. There's a 5 in the tens place and a 2 in the ones place. Alright guys, so I want you to look at the pictures up here. Think about how many chocolates are there in total. Now first, I want you to look at the box of chocolates. The box of chocolates are the tens frames. Notice there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chocolates in each box. Let's count the chocolates. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88. So how many chocolates do we have in total? That's right, we have 88 chocolates. There's an 8 in the tens place and an 8 in the ones place. So 88 looks like this. Alright guys, so now we are going to count together. Okay, so if you know how the numbers to 100 are put together, you will be able to calculate with them. That means that you are going to be able to add and subtract numbers within 100. So right here it says 60 and 3 together make 63. We have 6 tens and 3 ones, so that would make 63. Okay, so a tens is a group of tens, just like these numbers down here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So tens all have one thing in common. They all have a group of 10. Ones are the numbers from 1 to 9. These are all single digits, okay? You don't have any ones that are greater than 9. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And those are our ones. Okay, these are our tens rods. Okay, so 40 blocks would be 4 tens rods. There are 10 squares on each rod. Count with me, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So anytime you see a tens rod, you know that they are worth 10. Count by tens with me. 10, 20, 30, 40. So we know that if we have 4 tens rods, we have 40 blocks total. The total number is 40. So we have 4 tens. And let's count how many ones we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 4 tens and 8 ones. That means that our number is 48. We have 48 blocks in all. Okay, so whenever you have you're working with place value, another thing you can do is look at the blocks and you can separate it like this. Like we have the number 48, we know the 4 is in the tens place and the 8 is in the ones place. So we know that there are 48 blocks total. Alright guys, so we're going to make a diagram this time with the number 63. Okay? So how many tens do we have in the number 63? We have 6 tens. So we are going to put a 6 here. How many ones do we have in the number 63? We have 3 ones. Alright guys, so our number is 63, and now we are going to make 6 rods and 3 ones blocks. Ready? So there's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63. So if we use our place value blocks, this is what 63 looks like. Okay, so now let's count stamps. And these are just like our tens frames. We have 10 flags per group, okay? So let's count these. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. So how many do we have total? That's right, we have 84. We have an 8 in the tens place and a 4 in the ones place. So let's look over here. We have 8 tens, we have 4 ones. So 80 and 4 together make 84. So our total amount of stamps is 84. 8 in the tens place, 4 in the ones place. Let's look at the money. So let's count these together, okay? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. How much money do we have in total? We have $67. Okay? So how many tens do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. So we have 6 tens and 7 ones. So 60 and 7 together make the number 67. Now let's look at this picture. I want you to pause the video and count how many tens you have and how many ones you have in this picture. Then hit the play button when you are ready. Alright, count with me. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we have 5 tens and 1, 2, 3 ones. So that means that 50 and 3 together make 53. So we have a total of 53 chocolates. Alright guys, let's look at this picture over here. We have the number 39. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. What number's in the tens place? The 3, right. What number's in the ones place? The 9. Awesome job. Let's look at another one. So now we have the number 86. Okay? So let's write 86 right here. What number is in the tens place? The 8. What about the ones place? The 6. Awesome. Let's do one more. Okay, this time we have the number 52. In the number 52, what number is in the tens place? The 5. What number is in the ones place? The 2. Awesome job, guys. Okay, boys and girls, now we are going to take a little quiz and see what you know about place value. So I want you to pause this video, look at this picture, and count how many. Okay, ready? Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. So we have 85 blocks here. So that means that 85 is 80 plus how many? 80 plus 5. If you said 5, you are right. What is the total of 70 plus 8? Pause this video and think about it. And you should have said 78. The number 34 is what? 30 and how many? 4. Awesome job. Okay, 70 and 2 together are how many? 72. Okay, so in this picture here, we have 20 plus how many equals 29? You can count the basketballs if you need to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 20 plus 9 equals 29. What is the total of 80 plus 9? 89. What is the total of 60 plus 4? 64. 50 and 4 together make how many? 54. The number 28 is made up of 20 and how many ones? 8. Last question. What plus 3 equals 93? Look over here. What number is in the tens place? That's right, the 9's in the tens place. And that 9 represents how many? 90. Don't forget to add this 0 because if you don't put that 0 there, it's going to look like it says 9 plus 3 equals 93. And we know that is not right. So 90 plus 3 equals 93. Awesome job, guys. Okay, so from this video, you should have learned that you can determine the amount of tens and ones in numbers to 100. So it's very useful to know how to add these numbers together and subtract numbers. So it says, why is it useful to know how a number is put together? Well, if you know how a number is put together, it's going to make adding and subtracting so much easier for you. How do you know how many tens and ones are in a number? Okay, the tens place is always right here on the left. The ones place is always on the right. Okay? Awesome job today, guys. Thank you for watching.